Hi friends, today I am here to demonstrate automatic alarm system, Alarm Master. As you can see, it's an alarm system which will give alarm on predefined timings. The most important thing which makes it more special is its simple and high-end user interface. Means any user can easily access the system with no efforts. You can get an idea by these modes. First of all, we will understand normal mode of user interface. In normal mode, the current time and upcoming alarm are shown on the display. On the first line, current day and current time is displaying. On the second line, it is displaying which alarm will be ring after this. By pressing up down buttons, you can see how many and which alarms are saved. Now we will see how to add alarms. I will add 2 alarms for demo. Long press previous will get you into this mode. By using up down buttons, you can set the parameters of desired alarm like days Monday to Sunday, hours from 0 to 24, minutes from 0 to 59. After that, you can also set the length of the alarm from 0 to 255 seconds, means of about 4 minutes. Press up for saving the alarm, and you can also go back and edit the alarm parameters. Now I will also add second alarm. I have set the second alarm as Saturday 10 o'clock 6 minutes and duration is 10 seconds. I have added 2 alarms. First is Saturday 10 o'clock 5 minutes and duration is 5 seconds. Second is Saturday 10 o'clock 6 minutes and duration is 10 seconds. Now we will see how these alarms will ring on time for same duration as we have provided. Yes, first alarm has been triggered and next alarm is shown on the display. The next alarm is Saturday 10 o'clock 6 minutes will ring for 10 seconds. Now we have just wait for a few seconds till our current time is equal to our second alarm timing. Hold on your patience. Yes, our second alarm also triggered on time with duration of 10 seconds and upcoming alarm is shown on the display. If you want to delete any alarm, just go to that wanted alarm, long press cancel button, press OK for confirmation. Now you will not see that alarm in list. You can also make the changes in saved alarm parameters. Just go to that alarm, long press OK button. Now I just want to change the day of week with same hour, same minute and duration. I'm just making it Monday from Saturday. Press up for saving changes. Now you can see our change alarm is Monday 10 o'clock and 5 minutes. If you want to reset whole system, you can do this by long pressing down button. It will ask you for wipe all alarms, OK for yes and previous for no. It will take you a double confirmation for deleting all alarms. By pressing up button, you will get fresh system. Long press up also has special feature. By pressing this button for long, you will enter into set time mode. This has to be done when you want to change system time and when battery is being replaced. Now, I will highlight some of the features of this system. You can set maximum 200 alarms, means up to 28 sessions per day. As you have seen, it's very much simple and very much user friendly. All alarms are weekly, means you can set alarms for each and every day with any different timings. You can also modify it, delete it as per your need. Once alarms are set, no need to change until required, means one time setting is needed. We can also set the flexible durations to the alarms, like different for start and end time of school, lunch break, and also different for hours. For hour time, duration time in second of alarm will be lesser than duration time of start and end time of school. You can easily set the timetable for tests, examinations, and school timings. So, no tension in absence of peon. You can handle this system like your own smartphone. We have also provided the lock with key for safety of this system. We have designed this system for schools, colleges, factories and offices. 1 year warranty against manufacturing faults is provided. If you want to purchase this system, please contact on numbers which are contained in below message. Thank you. Have a nice time.